everyone, it's me Zoe from ZTV. We got another video for you guys. Today I'm here with my dad. And today we're going to be doing cooking with Zoe and Daddy. So today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. And we're going to show you the ingredients you need. So you need... Oh, okay. Might help if I put it right side up. You need... Oh gosh. You need Nestle Toll House semi-sweet morsels, or really any ones you want, but we decided to go with semi-sweet ones because that's what it says on the recipe on the back. You need, apparently we need a napkin. You don't though, but here, so whatever. Then you need some brown sugar. You could do light or dark, but we went with dark. You need, oh my gosh, this is heavy. You need sugar. And flour. All-purpose flour. And, oh jeez, okay. Baking soda. Guess it with the baking soda. What am I doing? You need butter. 2 sticks of butter? Mm-hmm. Where's our vanilla?
I believe it's...
You need vanilla. Give us a minute, we'll get it. Ow. I hurt myself, okay.
Need eggs.
And vanilla. Whatever brand you like. You could use McCormick, but we're not. You need a bowl. ASMR. Oh, that's too loud. You don't even need headphones to hear this ASMR. Okay. And you also need like spoons and stuff like that. So,
okay, so the butter's got to get softened. So it's got to... I don't want you hyperventilating. No, don't. Okay, so let's do 2 cups. 2 cups. So here's, we need
get the spoon in here.
2 cups of all-purpose flour. Actually, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour.
So you need 2 cups. You need 2 1/4 cups of flour.
Might be easy to get the 1/4.
Okay. So get the 1/4. We're just using like these measuring cups.
Okay, so how many 1/4 make a cup?
How many 1/4?
Yes.
4?
Yes. So instead of using the big cup, we just use we'll use the 1/4.
Okay.
So that means 4 1/4 equals a cup.
No, that's not leveled out.
That's gonna help.
Okay.
If
so
4 1/4 equals a cup, then we need 4 equals 1 plus another 4, that's 8, plus another 1/4. So how many is that?
9.
We need 9. So count off 9. So that's 1.
Okay, that's probably as level as I'm gonna get.
That's okay.
2.
2.
Gonna be covered in flour by the time we're done with it. Oh, okay. Get that off. 3. Look at me, you guys.
That's 1 cup right there. So then we need 5 more 1/4. So it's got to be a cup, 2 cups and a 4.
Oh, I'm making a mess. Oh gosh, I am making a huge mess. That's okay. 5. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Whew. 6. 7. 8. 8.
One more, right?
Mm-hmm. 9.
Good job.
And we are covered in flour now. I wish you guys could like see this right now. But like, look at that. Okay, look at the, hold on. Okay, well you can't really see it. But like, the tablet case that I have you guys on is now covered in flour. So, now I'm just gonna like level this out a little. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna.
Okay, so this is.
I'm gonna show you what it does look like.
375.
So that's what it looks like. You know, it's just flour in a bowl, so it's nothing too special. But you guys are definitely gonna have to get washed after this. And I'm wearing my Michael Kors boots. I can't afford to get these dirty. Move you back a little. Get it off.
So what we might do, Zoe, do all our dry ingredients. We'll go look at the tree lighting thing.
Okay.
Come back. And maybe by that time the butter will be softened.
So we are going to do all the dry ingredients first, and then we'll see you guys later. So this might be in 2 parts because it might get separated. I don't know how flour got all the way over there, so you're shy.
Okay.
Yes.
When you go to Lena's, do you mind dropping off the small papers to faster?
No.
You might have a driver taking them.
So that's what we are going to
So
do.
Zoe and I are going to take off our.
Waiting on my dad, waiting on my dad. We're gonna do a little dance.
Okay, so the next one. So we got to take the flour and baking soda. So we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I will do that. So you can show them what a teaspoon is.
So, if you don't know what a teaspoon is, look it up. No, I'm kidding. It's this. It's
The smaller spoon.
It's the smaller spoon. The bigger spoon is the tablespoon. So you literally don't have to have
That was June in the background. You guys don't get scared. Can you?
So you don't have
You
to.
walk into production.
You don't have to use an actual measuring spoon. You could just use a normal spoon. Which isn't this actually used for tea? Is that what they call it, a teaspoon?
Possibly. Okay, so we did the baking soda. Now we got to do salt. And salt we need 1 teaspoon.
Oh, you need salt. I forgot.
So might I see the teaspoon again, please?
Can I do it?
Well, actually, let me get it and I'll let you pour it in there.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm kind of a klutz when it comes to pouring things in the thing, so. Oh, that's so satisfying, you guys. I wish you guys could see it. Okay, got the teaspoon in. I'm gonna give you guys a quick peek. It's pretty white right now. It's just a bunch of white stuff.
Okay, so right now we have to wait for the butter. So all we have to do right now is wait for the butter to get soft, and then we can add the other dry ingredients.
We have to wait for the butter to add in the other dry ingredient?
We still got to add sugar and the brown sugar.
What is their logic? That's not small.
And then instead add granulated sugar and brown sugar. So let me go through it back.
Wait, what are you doing?
I can't tell you.
I don't know what's happening, you guys. I'm gonna give you guys some ASMR. This is kitchen ASMR. It's kitchen ASMR. That was really weird. But okay, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Anyway, you know, there's like a really big glare over here. Like, is that no? That's worse. Okay. You can't really see my face because there's like a glare. Does that make it better? No, because now you can't really see me. I'm really struggling with this thing over here, but it's the light. 'Cause there's like 4 lights up in here, so here, let's see if I can do any somewhere with this box. No, like, you want to know what's in vanilla extract? What makes up this substance? This black substance? Vanilla bean extractives in water, alcohol, and corn syrup. Very fancy. Oh, there's only 1 fluid ounce in this thing, so it's really tiny. But you can add a lot of ASMR. Is that ASMR? I don't know. Doesn't really sound like it. Right. I wish I had a microphone because I would just be doing this up to the microphone, like, yee. I do have a microphone, but like, I don't think it would work. It's not. It's like one of those la 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 microphones, not the hello. The one's perfect for ASMR. Oh, bueno. Maybe this. Like, I don't even have those nails. I just have nails. It's like, it's usually the acrylic nails that are able to make nice sounds, but to make nice sounds with just like my nails, which I've like I know we're taking a break. It's just, you know, without my dad, so you know we're not really baking right now. I thought I'd just talk to you for a few minutes. So, have you guys ever liked, how do I explain this? Have you guys ever like, how do I explain it? You've ever went to get your nails done and then you show people you love or something like that, or you show your friends, or you go to school and then people ask you if those are your real nails? Because that would happen to me. Like, they would like make, I would go to school and they would ask me if that's my real nails, and I'm like, yeah, these are my real nails. They're not fake. So I don't know how, but when my nails are painted, they look, I don't know, they look fake, which is weird. Well, I think we're going to see you guys in a little bit. So, I will see you guys in a little bit. So, love you. See you for part 2.